Hello dear students, I Bhavana Tiwari from DPS Alwani Lamachado welcome you in today's video. So today we are going to start a next video, that means we are going to start from fourth question of optional exercise of coordinate geometry. So let us start fourth question. What is fourth question? Let us see. The two opposite vertices of a square. So we have already drawn a square. So what they are saying, opposite vertices of a square are -1, 2 and 3, 2. तो ये opposite vertex हैं. Find the coordinates of other two vertices. So we have to find the coordinate of these two vertices. So what we will say, let the coordinate of this vertex is x1, y1 and the coordinate of this one vertex is x2, y2. And so let us draw one diagonal of it. So everybody knows that the diagonals of squares are equal and bisect each other. Okay, so the diagonal of a square are equal and bisect each other. So what we will do now, let us start from here. Okay, so I am starting from here, so I will not rub the equation which we want. So what is the solution? Now the first thing is the diagonal bisect each other. इसका मतलब क्या हो गया कि ये जो हो गया AC का मिड पॉइंट है O, सेम वे BD का मिड पॉइंट क्या हो जाएगा O. So O is the midpoint of both the diagonal. So already you have studied what is the formula of finding the midpoint. x1 plus x2 divided by 2. तो ये x coordinate निकलेगा इसका, and y1 plus y2 divided by 2. It will get the y coordinate of O axis. From AC we are saying coordinate of point O. So how will find x1 plus x2 divided by 2. So what is x1 here? 3 plus x2 here -1 divided by 2. So that means 3 minus 1, 2 upon 2, which is equals to 1. So x1 plus x2 divided by 2 is 1. So that means the x coordinate is 1. And from here, one more equation we will get. See, x1 plus x2, 2 you will send this side, so is equals to 2. Let me say this is equation number 1. Same way we will find the y coordinate of this, y1 plus y2 divided by 2. So also we will write, so let us write here, and y1 plus y2 divided by 2. This is y coordinate. So what is 2 plus 2 divided by 2, which is equals to 4. Okay. So upon 2, which will get 2. So what will get y coordinate? 2. So the midpoint coordinates are 1, 2. How we find? x1 plus x2 divided by 2 and y1 plus y2 divided by 2. So from here, one more thing we can get. y1 plus y2 divided by 2 is 2. So therefore we can write y1 plus y2, 2 is in this side, is equals to 4. Equation number 2. So very first thing, so by midpoint, finding the midpoint, we got two equations. Okay. So now first equation what we got? x1 plus x2 is equals to 2. This was equation number 1, which we got here. Okay. So now we got these two equations. Now one more thing you knows. What you knows? The diagonals of a square are equal. Okay. So that means distance between AC and BD are equal. So also AC is equals to BD. Why? Diagonals of a square. ठीक है, तो diagonals of a square are equal. So how we find the distance formula? By distance formula AC कैसे निकालेंगे? Square root of x1 plus x2 minus x2 divided by 2 plus y1 minus y2 divided by 2. So by distance formula, square root of AC. AC is x1 minus x2. So 3 minus of -1 divided by 2. x1 plus x2 divided by का whole square plus y1 minus y2, 2 minus 2 whole square, should be equals to diagonals of a square BD. So what is square root of x1 minus x2 whole square? x2 minus x1 या x1 minus x2, whatever you want to do. x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So this we got. So now what we can do? Squaring both the sides. So what we'll do is squaring both the sides. So do squaring both the sides. So what we will get here? Square root will cancel out. 3 plus 1 divided by 2. So x1 minus x2. So let us solve this. So let us solve. So we are solving this. So equation 1 and 2 which was previously I have written here. So now we are solving 3 plus 1. So 4 square is 16. So 16, 2 minus 2, 0 is equals to square root is cancel out. x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So let us say this is equation number 3. So for your convenience, I am writing equation number 3 here. So what we got, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, which is equals to 16, which is equation number 3. So we got 3 equations. Okay. So now let us start the next thing. What we can do now, and what else you know about the square? You know the sides of a square are equal. So let me say AB is equals to BC. And one more thing I can do, diagonals are equal. Okay. So let us start this one. Okay. So AB is equals to BC. So what is by distance formula? AB. Square root of x2 minus x1. So x1 minus of minus 1 whole square plus y1 minus 2 whole square should be equals to BC. So now let us find what is BC. BC. So 3 minus x1, yeah, x1 minus 3, anything you can write. x1 minus 3 whole square plus y1 minus 2 whole square. So what you will get from here? So squaring both sides, again the square root will cancel out. Okay, squaring both sides. So now just solve this. x1 plus 1 whole square plus y1 minus 2 whole square should be equals to x1 minus 3 whole square plus y1 minus 2 whole square. So now open this. A plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab plus a square plus b square minus 2ab is equals to, यहाँ पर देखो what we can write here, a square plus b square minus 2ab plus a square plus b square minus 2ab. 2 to the 4, y1. So this is y1 and this is x1. Okay. So now let us see how to cancel out. x1 square to x1 square cancel out. y1 square to y1 square cancel out. 4 to 4 cancel out. Minus 4y1 cancel out. So what is left here? 2 times x1 plus 1 is equals to 9 minus 6x1. So where can find 6x1? Bring this side. 1 you send this side. 6, 7, 8. 8x1 is equals to 9 minus 1, 8. So from here I am getting x1 is equals to 1. Okay. So you got x1 is equals to 1. So you got x1 is equals to 1. So we can substitute the value in this. Substituting the value in equation number 1. So therefore from equation 1 what you will get? x1 plus x2 is equals to 2. So x1 की जगह 1 रखो. So 1 plus x2 is equals to 2, which shows x2 is equals to 1. So now one more thing you got here. x1 is equals to 1 and x2 is equals to 1. ये x1 और x2 की वैल्यू आपकी आ गई है. ये बना गई है, ये बना गई है. Okay. Now we have to find the value of y. Okay. So let us start how to find the value of y. So we will put the value in equations. Okay. So let us put. So let us substitute the value of x1 and x2 in equation number 3. Okay. So I am writing substituting value of x1 and x2 in equation number 3. And now let's see what is equation number 3 here. x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square is equals to 16. x1 x2 is 1 minus, so 1 minus 1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square is equals to 16. So 0 square 0. So we got y2 minus y1 whole square is equals to 16. Square you send this side, it will become square root. So y2 minus y1 will be equals to 4. So let me say this is equation number 4. Now let us see equation number 2. So now find out the value of y2 from here. So y2 is equals to 4 plus y1. अब y2 की value we are substituting in equation number 2. Substituting value of y2 in equation 2. So equation 2 you write first, y1 plus y2 is equals to 4. So y2 is 4 plus y1 is equals to 4. Okay. So 4 you send this side, 4 minus 4, 0. So 2 times y1 is equals to 0, which shows y1 is equals to 0. So now one more thing we got y1 is equals to 0. Okay. So y1 equals to 0. Now from here you can find y2. So therefore, I am writing here only therefore y1 plus y2 is equals to 4. So substitute the value of y1 here 0. So therefore 0 plus y2 is equals to 4. So y2 is equals to 4. So now the what will be the coordinate now? Find it here. देखो x1 y1 x की वैल्यू क्या है 1, y1 क्या है 0, तो 1, 0. x2 क्या है 1, y2 क्या है 4, 1, 4. So therefore the coordinates of point B is 1, 0 and the coordinate of point D is 1, 4. Clear? So only calculation you have to do. So what you have done, we are given the two coordinates of the square. So what you have to find? The rest two coordinates. So how you will find? See, very first put the diagonals are equal. अगर diagonals equal रखोगे तो you will get one equations, वो ये वाली आ जाएगी, ठीक है. फिर इसके बाद क्या करो? These two sides are equal. ये दोनों sides equal है तो इनके distance formula से इनको equal कर दो. और फिर second thing, जो मिड पॉइंट होता है डायगोनल का दे आर सेम. सो जो मिड पॉइंट आएगा वही मिड पॉइंट इसका भी होगा. तो x1 प्लस x2 डिवाइडेड बाई 2, y1 प्लस y2 डिवाइडेड बाई 2 कितना हो जाएगा? यू गॉट दीज टू इक्वेशंस. बस इन इक्वेशन को यूज करो और यू विल गेट द वैल्यू ऑफ these. Okay, substitute one by one and for the thing you repeat the video and again see calculation part. Okay, so for this video I am doing only one question, fourth question. Next question we will do in next video. Thank you very much. Please like and share the video. Bye bye.